All right, welcome to Math and Logic for summer 2021. My name is Tim Sick. I'll be your instructor. Basically, every week I'm going to send out an email, post the same thing in an announcement, and then record a video that has the same information. Um, Sometimes I talk fast in videos, sometimes a cat will interrupt me or whatever, but I'm just going to send these out as they are. It's the most authentic. If I was in front of a class, I can say, hold on, we're going to restart. So that's what these videos will be like. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff to do this summer. This is the full Math and Logic course compressed down into a summer schedule, which means we basically go twice as fast as a regular class. So get started as soon as you can. An important thing to remember, everything is due in this class by Thursday at 11 a.m. So 11 in the morning by Thursday. If you wish it was due a different time, here's what you do. Get the first week stuff done by Thursday, and then get the second week stuff done by whenever you wish it was due. So if you wish things were due Sunday at midnight, this first week, plow through that stuff, get it done by Thursday at midnight, and then this weekend, do the second week stuff by Sunday at midnight. And then the weekend after that, do the third week stuff Sunday by midnight. That'll let you stay ahead and have the due date whenever you want. Okay. Everything's available to you right now. So even better than picking your own due date, you can work ahead. You can get this course done early if you have the time and effort now instead of waiting until the due dates or waiting until later. Also, as the homework is one of the things due this week, remember you can get a 100% by just doing similar questions until you get one correct. Check out my video on doing homework for more information on that. This week, we've got 4 homework assignments and 1 message board. The homework assignment orientation questions is just to get you familiar with the homework system. Okay, it's going to make sure you understand the buttons and help features and things like that. The next 2, section 1.1 on inductive and deductive reasoning and section 1.3 on problem solving, are the introduction to our problem solving unit. We're going to really follow that problem solving idea all the way through the course. So it'll be what our message boards mostly focus on, and it's what those problem solving problems are focused on. The other homework assignment this week is section 2.1. It's introduction to sets or basics of sets or something like that. It's getting into our first real unit with a test at the end of it. So that stuff's probably new. You might want to check out the videos before you do that, but that's what 2.1 is. And then also remember to do message board. There's a message board post or reply every week. This week, it's just getting to the introduction message board and telling us a little bit about yourself. I want you to remember my job is to help you pass this class. So I want you to reach out with any questions you have about anything, the homework, the material, a link in the course that's not working, how the message boards work, like anything that you're having trouble with, reach out to me. I'm your person, okay? It's my job to help you pass this summer. That said, I will admit this is the first time I'm using Blackboard as my primary learning management system. That's a fancy way of saying like it's where you go in and interact with the stuff. So you're my beta testers. Okay, if something isn't working, reach out to me right away. It'll help me, it'll help the other students. It's really, I really need that feedback so that I can know, even if something's just a little awkward or unclear or anything like that, please shoot me an email. I really want that kind of feedback so I can keep making this course better and make it as good as I can for you for the rest of the summer. Thank you so much. Email me with any issues you have. Remember, my email is posted all over our course, and it's just my last name at fetc.edu. Thanks, everyone, and I hope to hear from you soon.